guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I am Shreya and I make videos on DIY decor and stuff. If you ask me what is my one favorite decor item, I would definitely say it's a lamp. I love lamps. They make a corner look so pretty. I keep exploring different types of lamps on internet. I love the vintage ones. I love the modern ones. I mean, there is so much to love. So before I go in that zone, any guesses what we are going to make in this video? We are going to make some DIY lamps and we are going to make it super budget friendly. So yes, let's jump right in. So spoiler alert, the first lamp turned out super pretty. So I took this small Bisleri bottle and सबसे पहले मैंने उसका top part remove कर दिया. I just filled it with some pebbles ताकि वो काफ़ी heavy हो जाए. You are also going to need a food packaging box like this for the lamp. Next up I took some cement and I mixed it with water till it turned into batter-like consistency. I am placing the bottle in the center of the food box and I am going to fill the cement on the sides. If you want to have smoother surface, then you should tap the cement ताकि उसमें से bubbles निकल जाए. But I wanted to try that organic bubble look, so I didn't do that step. I left it for drying overnight and then I removed it in the morning. You'll see that bottle cover हो गया था cement से, so I just had to tap it with scissors so that वो cement ऊपर का निकल जाए. I also cut the remaining of the bottle from the top. Do you see these bubbles? This is what I was talking about. If you don't tap it, this is the texture you will get, and I saw it in TikTok long back and I really wanted to try it. I then spray painted this black. Also cut the base of the bottle because for the lamp you need to have a hole or a tunnel like structure in the center for the wire and holder to fit in. Now you get these type of holders in the local electric shops, or you can also get it from Amazon. I'll link them down below for you guys. This type of holder you can directly insert in the lamp and your lamp will be ready. But for me, I had this beautiful vintage bulb that I really wanted to use. But the problem was that वो vintage bulb इस holder से attach नहीं हो पा रहा था because it was a round bulb. So I got this holder which is actually for attaching the bulb on the wall. But I had no other option, so I took it and I'm glad I did because it looked even better. So I went to my local electrician to switch the holder. So all you need to do is just insert the wire inside the lamp and attach the holder to the wire, and that's all. I took this Fevicol Heatex and holder को lamp से चिपका दिया मैंने properly. It definitely looked very odd at this point with the holder on the top, so I painted it black. Now to hide this holder, I used this rope and इसको layer by layer I stuck it so that the holder is no longer visible. I also spray painted this cord because the red was just too loud and I wanted it to look like one single body. Now all you need is to insert the bulb and switch it on. I really love the outcome. It is a very pretty table lamp and this rope added quite a dimension to the piece. Next up is our very Sasta Sundar ice cream stick lamp. I took these dowels from Amazon. It will be linked down below. And here I was just figuring out how should I stick the ice cream sticks. These are some of the permutations I tried. But I finally chose this one. I use Fevicol Heatex to stick these ice cream sticks. It is a very strong glue, so I always suggest you not to go with a regular Fevicol, but go with this one if you want your DIYs to be sturdy. So I made two pieces like these and let it dry for few hours. And once they were fully dried out, मैंने उसको wall की तरह side by side support के help से खड़ा कर दिया. For this side, I stuck the ice cream sticks diagonally. I then turned it around and stuck the ice cream sticks in the same way. Now the structure of the lamp is ready. I just let it dry for a few hours. Then I'm just making a little base with the help of ice cream sticks. फिर जो structure मैंने बनाया था, I just stuck it on the top of the base like this, again with the help of Fevicol Heatex. I took the same type of bulb holder in this lamp. वायर को अंदर से लैम्प के थ्रू बाहर निकालना है and your lamp is ready. If there is any confusion regarding the connection, please do ask me in the comment section. I'll reply in there for sure. If you want, you can paint it, but I wanted to leave it just like that. You can have some leaves coming out of it, or you can put a little flower inside. It looks really pretty even when the light is not on. So I hope you guys liked today's video and do let me know which lamp was your favorite in the comment section below, and do subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.